What's up everyone, my name is Dora and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a shot glass bath bomb painted in an ombre style. The really cool thing about this bath bomb is that as soon as it hits the water, all this colorful, vibrant, and vigorous foam gushes out non-stop, while the shot glass itself is pretty slow and foamy. Please read the description for the recipe, helpful information, tips, updates, and the supply list. We're gonna make the shot glasses first. The SLSA makes the bath bombs last longer and it makes it a lot less vigorous. Add wet ingredients slowly while whisking. Thoroughly mix, knead, and rub the mixture with your hands. This is the mold fully assembled. There are two sides to the shot glass that fit on the bottom plate, and there's a sleeve that goes over that. The plunger is inserted at the top after the mold is filled with mix. Fill the mold with mix, then level the top. Forcefully insert the plunger and shove it down. You can also twist it back and forth to really pack the mixture. Remove the bottom plate and take the sleeve off. Place the bomb on a flat surface and gently remove the two sides. If the bomb gets stuck, leave the plunger in and gently tap both sides with a spoon until it releases. Dry the bombs for 24 hours. Make another batch for the colorful interior mix. Use the same recipe but omit the SLSA. Divide the wet and dry ingredients into the number of colors that you want. Mix wet and dry ingredients for each color like we did before. Fill the shot glass with colors as you want them to appear in the water. Keep packing and adding mix to the top. Dry the bombs 24 hours. To paint the shot glasses, mix alcohol and mica together. If you have shaky hands or just want really perfect lines, rubber bands are the way to go. Dry the paint a few hours before touching it. For an ombre effect, mix 3 to 4 different shades of the same color. For the pink, I used pop orange mica and added just a little bit of neon pink to the dark shade. The contrast should be gradual and subtle. Start with the light shade and end with the dark. Make sure to blend the shades well. To finish the shots, I made embeds and smashed them a bit. For the embed tutorial, click the information icon. I also made my own vibrant, colorful eco glitter. For that tutorial, click the information icon. Alright guys, so here I get to show you what these little shots can do. They did not disappoint. Matter of fact, they put on quite a show. I filmed a few shots and you'll see a few clips of each. But now I have a question for you. Some of the shots stayed on their side, spun around, and continuously gushed foam, while others remained upright and stalled. Can someone tell me why this is? I'm very curious as to how this happened because they were all made the same exact way. This one was the only one that stayed upright but also gushed foam all over. I'm assuming it had like a crack or something. Normally when they got stuck upright, the colorful foam stalled because water couldn't get to it and, allow it to react. I also included clips of the purple ones. Like I said in the beginning, you can get really creative with this project and personalize shots for any occasion. For instance, Valentine's Day is coming up, so you could make some pink and red ones with cinnamon oil. I was also thinking that these would be really fun for bachelorette, wedding, or even birthday party favors. Please note, this project is not necessarily hard, but I definitely don't recommend it for anyone new to bath bomb making. Bath bombs with odd shapes are always more challenging than simple shapes. And any shape that's hollow, like this one, can present even more challenges. Alright guys, thanks so much for dropping in and joining me today, and I'll see you next time.